I'm Jasmine and I sell commercial trucks at Boyer Ford in Minneapolis, Minnesota. And today I'm going to show you how to program an extra key for a 2022 Super Duty. So the truck comes with 2 keys, but this particular fleet customer likes to have a spare key. So my shop cut the key. Now I have to program it so that the buttons work and that it'll start the truck. Here is our truck. It's a 2022 F-250. To do this, you will need all 3 keys, the 2 that come with the truck and the spare that you are making. So first, take one of the keys that already work, stick it in the ignition, turn it just before you're starting it, and you're gonna wait for the airbag light to go off, right there. All right. Take this one out. Now we're going to do the same thing with the second factory key. Sticking it in, turning it just before you start it, waiting for that airbag light to turn off. Taking that key out, and now taking the key that you duplicated, sticking this one in. So the doors lock twice, that goes off, and the key program was successful. Now I'll test it. And that's it, she works. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your day.